Hello, we are Laura and Juliana and we are 15 years old and we're studying for the peso. In this video, we are going to explain the counting techniques.
The counting techniques are used to know how many combinations can be made with different elements and positions, and they can be done in two different ways, representing all the options in a tree diagram or by counting. This would be an example of tree diagram with the options for the first peak, the second option, and the final results.
First, we have to look the different elements which are represented with an M and positions which are represented with an N, and whether the order of the elements is important or not, and if they can be in repetition or not.
Variations with repetitions are done when the order of the elements is important, but they can be repeated. In this case, we raise n to the power of n. When the order of the elements is important but repetitions are not allowed, we have to ask ourselves if m equals n. If it doesn't, we will divide the factorial of m between the factorial of the difference between m and n, which is their subtract. And if it does, we have a permutation, which is the factorial of m.
When the order isn't important, we will use a combination, which consists on dividing the factorial of m between the factorial of subtract of m and n multiplied by the factorial of n. The factorial is the factor of a number and all the previous ones.